Hello friends, welcome to Mathemagic. I am Anish Kokar and today we'll study lines and angles. Now, what is a line? A line is a collection of infinite points extending indefinitely in both the directions. A line has no endpoints and it has no midpoint. Now, this is a ray. A ray is a portion of a line having a fixed starting point but no end point. Now let us study what is an angle. An angle is a union of two rays having a fixed starting point but extending indefinitely in both the directions. The fixed common point is called the vertex of the angle and the two rays are called the arms of the angle. Now let us study the different types of angles. This is the first type of angle and this is an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle measuring exactly between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. This is the second type of the angle and this is a right angle. A right angle is exactly a quarter of a complete rotation. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Now moving on to the third type of angle, this is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle measuring between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. This is a straight angle. A straight angle is an angle measuring exactly 180 degrees. Now this is a reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle measuring greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. And now let us study the different pairs of angles. This is the adjacent pair of angles. Two angles in a plane are said to be adjacent if they have a common starting point, a common arm, and the non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm. Now let us see a special case of the adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles are said to be forming a linear pair if the non-common arms form a straight line. The property of a linear pair is that the sum of the angles always totals to 180 degrees. Now let us see the next pair of angles. These are complementary angles. Two angles in a plane are said to be complementary if the sum of the two angles in the pair is 90 degrees. Each angle is said to be the complement of one another. This pair of angles is called supplementary angles. Two angles in a plane are said to be supplementary if the sum of the two angles is exactly 180 degrees. The two angles forming this supplementary pair are said to be the supplement of each other. Now let us see the last pair of angles. In a plane, when two lines intersect each other, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed and the property is that they are always equal. Okay friends, thank you and bye and see you again.